In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your line password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what to expect at each screen so you can update your password with confidence and keep your account secure. Start by launching the Line app on your phone. Give it a moment to load to the main screen. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that first so the menus look the same and everything runs smoothly. From the main screen, head to the Home tab. You'll find it along the bottom of the screen. The Home tab is where your profile and core app settings live. Once you're on Home, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That gear is your Settings button. Tap it to open your account and privacy controls. Inside Settings, scroll until you see Account, then tap it. The Account section holds your login information and security options. In there, select Password. This opens the password management screen where you can change your login credentials. Before you proceed, your device may ask you to verify it's really you. Depending on your phone, you might see a Face ID prompt, a fingerprint scan, or be asked to enter your device passcode. Go ahead and complete that prompt. This extra step helps protect your account by preventing unauthorized changes. Now you're ready to set your new password. You'll see two fields, one for the new password and one to confirm it. Type your new password carefully, then enter it again exactly the same in the confirmation field. For best security, choose a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid common words or personal details. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save something unique and hard to guess. When both fields match and you're happy with your choice, tap Change Password. The app will process your request and update your account. If you see an error that the passwords don't match or don't meet the requirements, re-enter them and try again until you get the confirmation. Once it's saved, your new password is active. Keep in mind you may be prompted to use it the next time you sign in on other devices. Make sure you've stored it somewhere secure so you don't lose access. That's all there is to it. You opened Line, went to Home, tapped the gear, opened account, selected password, confirmed your identity, and set a new password. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.